perform a skit about wealth, happiness and success. Which one do you want to choose in your life? Okay, let's see. Pushkala, I have been noticed since morning they are sitting like statue. They are not talking to each other and the weather is also very hot. Who can they be? I don't know. They look like strangers. Should we talk to them? Did they have any problem? Okay, let's go and know about them. Excuse me, do you have any problem? Why are you sitting like that? You all come to my home with me. If you come with us, we will feed you sweets and we will celebrate Diwali together. And you can stay at our home also.
We will definitely come with you. But there is a problem. Only one of us can come with you.
Why? What's the problem?
Hi, I am well. If you want to take me with you, you will become rich and lead a luxurious life and you will never face a money problem.
I am success. If you take me to your home, you will achieve success in every sphere of your life.
And I am happiness. If I go with you, then there will always be happiness, love and peace in your home. So you have to decide now which one of us do you want to take to your home.
Okay, let me discuss it with my friend. I want wealth. Do you know money is very important in our life? I want to buy car, mobile. So let's take wealth. No yaar, happiness is the better option. Now let's go.
So tell me, what's your final decision? Whom do you want to take with you?
It is very difficult to decide. We are totally confused. But finally we have decided to take happiness to our home.
Why?
Because happiness is the only thing we can't buy with wealth and success. I know many people who had succeeded in their life and had lot of money, but they are not happy with their life. They lead a hectic and tense life. Quarreling is common in their life. So we had decided to take happiness with us.
Okay, I will come with you.
Why they are coming with you?
You have chosen happiness. Where there is happiness, wealth and success come together.
Wow, that's great. Thank you.